Plug Technologies Inc. is a manufacturer of high-quality pipe plugs and testing equipment. This short video will show you how to test our MaxFlow control panel using our MaxFlow control panel test kit. Our MaxFlow air test control panel is used in our MaxFlow AT line acceptance kit 500-812 to allow a contractor to perform a line acceptance test. The MaxFlow air test control panel test kit confirms the panel is not leaking and that the panel engages are working correctly. The 575-40 MaxFlow air test control panel test kit comes with an air supply line valve, panel test assembly, and a plug test gauge. First, connect the air supply line valve, Chicago coupler, to the supply air, Chicago coupler, on the MaxFlow air test control panel. Next, connect the 1/4-inch QD coupler, yellow, on the panel test assembly to the 1/4-inch QD nipple return, yellow, on the control panel, and connect the 1/2-inch QD coupler, blue, on the panel test assembly to the 1/2-inch QD nipple test area, blue, on the control panel. Now connect the 1/4-inch QD coupler of the plug test gauge, red, to the 1/4-inch QD nipple plug, red, port on the control panel. Locate the knob labeled Plug Pressure Regulator on the control panel. The regulator may be locked, so pull slightly on the knob before turning. Rotate the plug pressure regulator knob counterclockwise until it stops. Make sure that both the plug inflate, plug deflate, and the test area fill, test area exhaust valves are in the hold closed position. Before connecting the air source, make sure to have the air supply line valve in the closed 90-degree position. Connect a 1/4-inch QD coupler air supply line to the air supply line valve. Next, open the air supply line valve by turning it counterclockwise 90 degrees. Turn the plug inflate, plug deflate valve from the hold position to the plug inflate position by turning it counterclockwise 90 degrees. Slowly rotate the plug pressure regulator knob clockwise until the plug inflation pressure gauge reaches 30 psi. Rotate the plug inflate, plug deflate valve clockwise 90 degrees to the hold position. Locate the regulator knob on the panel test assembly. The regulator may be locked. Pull slightly on the knob before turning, and rotate it counterclockwise until it stops. Just above the MaxFlow label is the test area fill, test area exhaust valve. Rotate this valve clockwise 90 degrees to the test area fill. Slowly turn the regulator knob on the panel test assembly clockwise until the test pressure gauge rises to 6 psi. Please note, there may be a delay on the larger test pressure gauge, so allow time for its needle to rise. Do not open the regulator knob too quickly. Rotate the test area fill, test area exhaust valve counterclockwise 90 degrees to the hold position. Wait 2 minutes. If the plug inflation pressure gauge has not dropped below 30 psi and the test pressure gauge has not dropped below 6 psi, the MaxFlow air test control panel has passed. If each control panel gauge matches their counterparts on the MaxFlow air test control panel test kit, and if there is less than 1 psi differential, the gauges have passed. Close the air supply line valve to the 90-degree position and disconnect air supply line. Turn plug inflate, plug deflate valve clockwise to plug deflate position, and test area fill, test area exhaust valve counterclockwise to the test area exhaust position. Pull slightly, Then rotate the plug pressure regulator knob counterclockwise until it stops and push it into lock position. Next, do the same thing with the regulator knob on the panel test assembly. Finally, disconnect plug test gauge red, then the panel test assembly blue and yellow. Then open the air supply line valve and disconnect it. Test complete. The MaxFlow Air Test Control Panel is ready for customer. Thank you for watching our how-to video on testing our MaxFlow control panel.